Hi, I'm Alicia Evans, and I'm a Partner Success Consultant here at Receipt Bank's Washington, D.C. office. And I'll be taking you through the process of publishing your client's bookkeeping documents into QuickBooks Online. Once you've added your client to Receipt Bank, you've integrated their account with QuickBooks Online, and they've started submitting items. You'll soon see their Receipt Bank inbox filled with extracted documents. Once you're happy with how your client's items look in Receipt Bank, you can use any of the green Publish buttons to export the document data and image directly into QuickBooks Online. As you can see in this Publish To box, all items will publish to QuickBooks Online as a bill, whether it's a paid receipt, paid invoice, or unpaid invoice. Once you publish the item, you can find all of your published documents in the Expenses section of QuickBooks, accessible from the side menu. In QuickBooks, these are referred to as bills and will be indicated with a reference number beginning with RV. It's important to note that you won't ever need to press the Make Payment button on the right-hand side of the screen. Receipt Bank and QuickBooks work collaboratively to examine each of your submitted documents and match them with a live bank feed. You can manage this process from the Banking tab in QuickBooks. Click into the tab and look for transactions on the bank feed showing the One Record Found icon. This means that QuickBooks has found an entry from your bank feed with a corresponding item in Receipt Bank. Click Match and QuickBooks will assign your document to the correct line of the bank feed and confirm the item as paid. If you return to the Expenses tab, you'll notice that your matched transactions no longer indicate Make Payment. Instead, it will indicate if you want to view or edit the item. This means that your supporting documentation has been reconciled against the live bank feed. You can click into any item to view the document data and image extracted by Receipt Bank. Something to be aware of: if you've already accepted items on the bank feed or have set up rules within QuickBooks, Receipt Bank entries will not be able to match those items. If you've already accepted those items, Receipt Bank will create a duplicate expense. Now that you've got all the skills you need to process bookkeeping documents from submission to reconciliation when working with QuickBooks Online,